I'm not gonna say anything. Alright. So this hasn't been cleaned in a long time. So it's gonna be a good one. We're gonna vacuum here. We're gonna get some sliders under the bed. We got some wear you can't see. We got some wear on the bed, on the bedside here. A lot of vacuuming to do. A lot of dust here. We're gonna vacuum in the closet. A lot of dust on the edges. Alright. Sweet. Okay, we got furniture sliders under all those legs there. So, let's see if it moves out. Oh, no. Can't do it with one hand. Oh, yeah. There we go. Just like that. You can do it with one hand if you do it right. Awesome. Okay.